sometimes e dey good make person hear from two people mouth before person go be the final judge, my correct people. This kind matter when e don dey ground for some time now concerning Zlatan and DJ Cuppy, say they don put one leg for trouser. The matter dey come from left and right. We no come even know who dey talk lie and who dey talk true for inside. My correct people, e be like say this DJ Cuppy, e don throw away for inside finally before we go dey follow the gist up the way it be, my correct people. Make I first hail una. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you're welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg not forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know, we'll feel the miss. Yes, my correct people. This particular video now two ways. Now I want to talk, and that means now two in one. I won't talk about Tonto Dike, one Nollywood actress for Nigeria, and I won't talk about Zlatan and DJ Cuppy matter when they don't dig ground for some time. And in short, that they drag themselves up and down for social media. The thing can't be like say don't they go out of hand. So make I first start from their own. So who be DJ Cuppy? DJ Cuppy now one Ajebota picking for that Nigeria when they call Otodola hen. Recently she can't come out, she can't dey drop some kind things for social media. She can't be like person when be say you know they happy, can't they talk saying he get this in particular friend when they call Zlatan. This Zlatan na another musician when he dey for Nigeria and they follow Bio well, which is Davido. Now the gang now that all of them are na gang member, been a crew member. So she when be the DJ Cuppy and she can't come and come talk say this is she and this Zlatan, they used to be very good friends. Say last now she not come know wetin happen. Say the guy just block him for everywhere, for WhatsApp, anywhere when be say if he get contact with him, he block him for everywhere for social media. So he not come know wetin him do, whether the guy they vex for her, whether something they when he be say she do when she not know. At least make the guy let her know wetin she do so that she go know whether she go apologize or she go know whether she wrong or not. My correct but not be small thing. And she talk the matter. I can't be like say she talk and she can't throw away. Nobody answer her. So after some time again, she can't still carry the same matter come again. Can't see they be like say something like say they pain and where say this Zlatan waiting make her block him. Say she get right to know waiting make am block am. As e come be like say the matter they fly up and down for social media, many people come they talk say if he block you, block am back. Many people come even they talk different things, say maybe it's Zlatan be they like am, maybe she don't understand. Different people come they talk am. As she herself when be the DJ Cuppy come be say they worry every time, no one let the matter rest. She they do like say she have the right to know what him do before this Zlatan block him. Now this DMW crew member when they call Israel when they follow the video, now he can't come out to he can't say since you say you won't know what you do, this now what you do. Why? Because this is Zlatan, they follow the video, and this Israel they follow the video. So all of them they be gang, they be friends, that they work out together. So maybe that they talk to each other. They go know wetin dey sup between them. So this one are the thing when he can post, he can write the thing, come be like say he don't take an answer. DJ Cuppy say you they talk say you don't know wetin you do when make Zlatan block you. This one are wetin you do. This one are wetin you write, my correct, but he can't talk say kudos to someone like Zlatan who took a bold step by flushing out a full fake friend like Cuppy, who was just using his head, all in the name of my papa na Otodola. Zlatan did a hit collabo with her, ordinary one kobo, you know, see. She also took Zlatan to Abuja for her fundraising, where she made billions of naira and didn't even remember Z for one kobo till tomorrow. No accommodation, no feeding. Zlatan had to even spend his own personal money at Transcorp Hilton to cater for everyone, including me. This now 2021, I beg, make you shift. Hey, my correct people. As the matter can come out, as he can't post this one, it can't be like saying Tane they go gaga, can't they say, so this DJ Cuppy na so you be. That means say your hand na super glue. Now they take goma. That means say upon say your papa get money, so you know they like release. How somebody go follow you go do collabo and you know drop one kobo for her. Hey, my correct people. Apart from say they do collabo, I don't know whether they write contracts, because the way the thing can't be now, it be like say they don't write contracts. Maybe this Zlatan they do like say now hey, your papa get money, you go use your church mind settle me. My people, you know they work like that. So in case you be person when be say if they listen to this video, video. Make you not follow that kind of step, in the sense that if you know somebody say una wan do contract, una know say na contract una wan do. If you know say una wan be friends, you know say na friend na una wan be, because this one that they call money, e don scatter so many friends wey be say they be like brothers and sisters before. So this one not be say use my church mind. If una know say una wan do business, write contract in case anything come up, you go see something hold for hand. So my correct people, this one are waiting people come they talk say maybe they don't write contract, but when we come mostly catch my attention for inside now, that one when they talk say they go do fundraising for Abuja, that is this DJ Kubi go do fundraising, and they go do that fundraising. Now this Lantern go with that is with the other gang members, all of them go that side. If when they talk that is this Israel now when they drop this message now they talk says Lantern and sponsor the people when carry go Abuja when they go to do this fundraising. Say then they take year they hear say now big millions when people they donate for that fundraising. Say one couple when they think say after everything say this DJ Kupi go drop, he not drop anything. Hey, my correct people, I don't know whether I mean they get it wrong. Go this fundraising of 18, Shebi then talk say now for to help the less privileged, now to help the poor people, now to collect and kill and divide. I don't understand though, because when they come, the thing can't be like now. It be like say you collect and go share them equal. I don't understand. Anyway, if you see say make you look am. If it be say not be this Lantern fault, because if you look the way that they take all this fundraising foundation things they work out for that obodo Naija sef. Now business, now they take all of them, they do no most of them are business one that they put for their own pocket. Maybe now that one I make these Lantern they think say now so say at the end of the day now 50-50. So my correct people, apart from say that one happen, this Lantern can still come out recently as the matter can they go gaga for inside internet. Now they can't do one interview with am recently. They can't and say this DJ Kubi when be say they accuse you up and down, say you block and you don't know what you do am. Wetin really happen? You know wetin him talk. He can't talk say he never see this person for art. So you don't even know whether na DJ or whether na artist. Wetin be my people? Make I drop the short video for now. Make una listen.
What transpired between you blocking Copy on social media and have you unblocked her?
Is it gossips?
DJ Copy music.
You don't?
He's an artist.
Copy is a DJ.
Oh.
DJ Copy.
You haven't heard of? You don't know? Okay.
You don't know who that is?
Since he doesn't know.
My people, now the video be this. So hey, the matter weak me as he weak una. Una believe say this thing when Lantern talk, whether he talk and well, because many people they accuse and say he not supposed go to that extent, because this one a person maybe say they don't do things together well. Why he go talk say he not even know at all. So many people now come from there, they come they attack this Lantern say he not do well and he not get single respect. Apart from that one, e be like say this DJ Kubi come dey hear say the whole matter now they go round. Now she sef can't drop her own talk for inside. As she can't drop this talk, now she can't talk something like this. Now she can't talk say make them free and say everything a super story. All this one a super story. Can't put laughing emoji. It can't be like say all this matter, all this saga when they forget. Be like say all of them are talk. Oh, hey, forgetting say now this DJ Kubi now she carry the matter on social media. Now you can't talk say na super story na talk. Now from there everybody can't attack am again. My correct people. Now people come they talk say this one be saying like this you can't answer. Now that means say waiting that they talk for your body. Not true. My correct people. I see they talk and say you know they completely say. People when be say them born for rich home, that is people when be say they be a jobota, they go they generous, they go they like they give. Somebody when be say na person when they selfish, he they selfish. If he like say papa na president, he they selfish. One person when be say they like they give person, na choice. You know me say that person must be rich person. Sometimes you see people when be say now then they manage, now then they even they like share with people pass. People when be say they come from rich home or maybe they get money. Most of all these big men now then they selfish pass. So my people, maybe they don't take that one joy say because $100 get money with that one now. Picking now go they like they give out. You don't know the kind mind when $100 get. You don't know the kind mind when the children get. Everybody carry their own mind con this life. You know if you just see person face the way the person ugly rich, you go come to say this person a wish. Not be ugliness. Not be that they cash wish. No, my people. Person if you find you go see say na correct skin and the person be. So my correct people now don't watch that video. Now don't see what happen for them. Say make una self still put una make una still talk and how una see. Una believe say. The thing when this Israel they talk when they follow the video now sure say na true they talk for DJ Kubi body. I be una think say not be true because many people they talk say for the first say DJ Kubi answer like that say make them free say everything a super story. Many people don't conclude say now waiting then talk for her body say not true. So my people I don't leave that one for now. Now self go come show now for the comment section how now see the whole matter. So make we jump to the other one. One, this one na about Tonto Dike, Nollywood actress for Nigeria. Some people will they wonder, say, so this matter never still come on for ground. My correct people. Now, one blog and I carry the latest news when concern this matter, can't give us again, can't throw away for us. Hey, my correct people. Not be smart, you know. Una know say get one time we say Tonto Dike and this is ex-husband Chochi, say that they get their self, not be smart. Now, Tonto Dike self can't even they accuse the husband, say he get this personal secretary when they follow any man when he say they carry personal secretary, woman they follow body, make you fear that man, oh. Sometimes not the only personal secretary for us that they do one for the other room and everywhere. Hey, so Tonto Dike said when they talk now, this is personal secretary when they call Roseline. He they among the person when be say na he scatter them. Say na he be like say they chop his husband when they call Chochi. Na he make everybody come waka there or everybody come stay for Ile. She can't come out, she can't deny, she can't claim out, she can't talk say even this Chochi be like his brother. Say she don't even get any intention of that kind of thing. She no go even fit do and say even though say the Chochi self even make intention, say she no go fit do and say her conscience no go let her do. My correct people, not be say last we come dey see am the kind message and the kind birthday message and different thing when she come dey do with this Chochi. She come still dey claim out. My correct people, fearsome woman. He come still dey claim and say nothing like that. Last now this blogger when just carry the matter come now when the thing come dey flower up and down for social media, he come talk say it is alleged that the once most famous side chick of a celebrity husband, Roseline Moore, is heavily pregnant and is currently in somewhere in Obodo Ibo, hey, making a preparation for the baby. My people, now don't hear the news. I go still put the screenshot for now. I go see. My correct people, as people come they see them, they come say now war from some women. This one not be the lady when be saying they deny, say nothing like this. He claim out, say nothing like that. He no go fit do anything like that. And the time when be say Tonto Dike they cry, come out, they talk, say this now waiting they happen and see the person when be say in they pinch am. Say now this Roseline, I be the rat when they chop her leg and they see they blow and make she no quickly hear the pains. People come they think say this Tonto Dike na gbagbati. It too talk. Now don't see and say now true. Now sometimes you know say people when be say they get pepper body, the way they think they pepper them for body now so they like they bring her come out. Now so they like they bring her come out. And if people just see and they go say hey this one just they talk blah. So this one be say mat pepper. So this one I'm not sure say. Now the one be say his face go be like innocent, whereas inside mind, inside mind now where now that one people they quick they believe. When I don't see and say waiting Tonto Dike they talk, all of them say now true that time. Even all the other ones when they talk before that those one come make me they think say all of them are true. Even this Tonto Dike people that they call Andre when be say. This his husband Chochi no one go they see now everybody they drag Tonto Dike up and down say no one let his husband see am. If una dig into the matter just now go find out say no be Tonto Dike hand 100% self no be even there una go see and say now this Roseline self now you no want make the man see that pikin. You will bow, don't be surprised. You don't know what some women feel do. You will bow say now he make you no one see that pikin. Sake of say if you go see Tonto Dike now the thing go come they draw their relationship come back again. If he can't come back, you cannot say my correct people because they talk saying who no go you don't know anyway. Sha if he be saying like this Roseline can't talk saying like this he won't take carry the matter. We wish her good luck, but they won't talk. Then when people they always they talk. When people they always they talk. When be saying that word and they always they use and when I see say situation like this arise when they talk saying Cain when they say beat Iyawo now they see say they beat Iyale. That is Cain when they say beat new wife. They don't use a beat and they'll go keep pan for back of door. That is the old wife I mean. They don't use the K wire the old wife finish. They'll go keep her for back of the when the new wife come in, so they go they carry her like egg. When the time don't fade, anytime when just make pen, they go bring that same cake, come and they be the old Iyawo. They go take her bulala in here. So my correct people, I want make una self see shook una mat for inside this matter. How una say because when I see the something really weak me, you know. I say this one has some essence when some women feel go in the sense that people when they mostly do all this when they say that they like scatter people's house or that they like collect another man, another woman, husband. Most of them now fine babes. I don't know whether it's the husband or man they curse them as they find rich when you come say now only to get to collect people. That is they will come get that thing for body. I don't know. I think they will stand on my correct people. Make I leave the matter for you. May not come be like say I they stretch the matter too much. So make una self still talk una or how una see the matter. Make una see shook una mouth put anything una think how una see the matter. Make una just see throw now for the comment section. My correct people. I will leave una for here today. And I not say today na Sunday or here. You never tell when I come from church. Oh my still there for fire. Make it not go burn. So my correct people not be only me waka come. I only waka pass. Can't give una the news. So now as I tell waka come now. So I tell the waka go back. So I will see you now for my next video when I go to take from I beg. If it be say you never subscribe and na your first time when you come across my video and you just like make you just click that notification bell and subscription button so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, no fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, my returning subscriber, God will bless you and appreciate you now. I will see you now for my next video when I go to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.